pleasant day to all. I am Father Samuel Baruela. I am the parish priest of St. Catherine of Alexandria Parish here in Tayum, Abra. I was just assigned last June 15 this year. And before that, I am very excited to come here to Tayum because I know Tayum is one of the good and best parish here. Not only the people, but even the historical church here. The oldest church here in our diocese, and it is also a pride of not only Tayum but the whole Abra because of its beauty and of course the history itself. But now I am very saddened because of what happened, because of the earthquake, and our beautiful and very historical church is greatly damaged. So everything that I have in mind when I came here, it seems that all those plans were gone. But now with the people helping us to recover, we slowly gain our strength and of course our focus in our mission. But allow me to continue to say our gratitude to those who are helping us to rise up again. And please bear with me also as I continue to plead your support. We are here, we are trying to stand up, but of course, without you, we cannot really do. Please, our situation now are, of course, we sometimes are in the midst of discouragement. But with your help and with all the people who are journeying with us on our situation, we are strengthened again. And we are inspired also by the people who lend their hands to support us. This church, not only a symbolic church, but it is also our identity. Our identity as Catholics, our identity as Abreños, our identity as Tayumenians. But we know this is part of the challenges for us to make our faith stronger. Tumakder kam tumatlaeng, magna kam tumatlaeng, akas maysa nga gimong with your support. I hope and pray that what we are experiencing now is a challenge to strengthen our faith. It is a challenge to devote ourselves. It is a challenge to look in a wider perspective in living our faith as a community. It is a challenge to devote ourselves in our mission. Maybe this is also a call from God that we should better look into our faith, how we live it. And in restoring our building, our church, beautiful church building, I hope and pray that our faith will be restored also. It is a better one, it is a strength, more sturdy one, but most of all, it is a dedicated and faithful service in the Lord. Once again, in the name of St. Catherine of the Alexandria Parish, all our parishioners here, thank you for your love, thank you for your support. Rest assured, for our prayers, you are always in our prayers, in our masses. God bless us all.